What's up, y'all? So I didn't want to start every video with me going to Walmart, but I guess it is what it is. Anyway, y'all, so we are here to look for a tent and air mattress and maybe one of these. Expensive. Oh, right here, found it. Okay, this looks like it's the one. All right, I think we're gonna get this one, and now let's go look for our air mattress. Found it. This is the tent we got. That's the mattress, and here's the pump. This is everything we got at Walmart. So let's hit the road. So we are here at the White Tank Mountain. As you guys can see in the previous clip, we were taking a bunch of clips of the mountain. So today we are here to camp, and I got my girl with me this time because she was a little jealous seeing last week's video. But yeah, we're just going to be staying here. This is our camp spot. Let me show you guys. It's not the most fancy campground. It's literally just a goddamn rock. That's where we're gonna be setting up our tent. So yeah, let's get to it. It's okay. All right, I'll use it. All right, now we're just waiting for the bed to fully inflate it, and I'll show you guys the final results soon. All right, guys, so we are basically done setting up the bed. Check it out. Pretty luxury, if you ask me. As of right now, we're just gonna stay put and chill for a little bit because we're kind of exhausted from setting up the tent and, you know, getting everything prepared. So you guys hang tight too, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I do something interesting or when I start cooking. So yeah. So we're done chilling. We ate a little lunch, and now we are out for a little trail walk, a little hiking, I guess. Snakes. Yeah, it seems like the trail is a never-ending one, so we're going back right now because we didn't bring no water, and we were probably hiking for about 15 to 30 minutes. That's probably nothing to some of you guys, but we're pretty unhealthy people, so we're heading back to the campsite, guys.
Flows only up.
We are back out on the trail, but this time we're actually gonna get rewarded because we're gonna go see a waterfall. I mean, there's not gonna be any waterfall because it doesn't rain lately, but we're just gonna go see where the water falls, I guess.
What is this? I don't know, read it. Oh dear.
Yep. Oh look, waterfall. We made it.
Wait. I want to take a toke.
Cold. I guess a lot of times. Oh my god, it's cold. Oh, it's cold. Well, guys, after about 40 minutes of hiking, we finally made it to the where the water falls when it rains. So, yeah, that was worth a hike. And now we're just gonna head back and cook up our dinner. And we're back. You guys know what time it is. It's cooking time. So today we're just gonna be making a Korean hot spicy noodle because we're not cooked. Just gonna put on some socks while waiting for the water to boil. The water looks like it's hot enough to put the eggs in, so let's do that. Well, I think the egg is done, but one is pretty messed up, as you can see that one, but we're gonna take them out. And to add some extra flavor, we got the kimchi over there, and now we are ready to eat. That was spicy but busting. But now it's time to clean up. All done. Alright guys, so if you guys made it to the end, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this, camping videos. And yeah, so right now I'm just gonna watch a movie and go to bed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.